welcome back to another episode of How to Airbnb. My name's Andrew, and I'm going to teach you how to change your Airbnb house rules. Okay, so first things first is we're going to have to go to the Airbnb website. So just go in your browser and type in airbnb.ca, airbnb.com, or .uk or .fr. You just got to get yourself to Airbnb. Now that we're on the site, you're going to have to log into your account. Now that you're logged in, what you want to click on is Host at the top right here. Once you've hit that Host button, from the drop-down menu, you want to go to Listings. Click that. From this page, what you want to do is you want to select the listing at which you want to edit the rules. So for me, it's going to be Modern Living on Main. From here, you want to click on Booking Setting. From this screen, you want to scroll down until you find the house rules. The next step is to click the Edit button. Now you're in the section where you can edit your house rules. What you want to do here is you want to scroll down to where it says Additional Rules. And from here, this is where you can add any extra rules that you forgot to add or that you need to add now. So here we'll just add a few rules like no smoking, no parties, no extra guests, and basically any other rule you want to add, you can add that here. Now once you've added all the rules that you wanted to add, what you can do now is save. So all you have to do is save at the bottom here, click that button. Now if you scroll back down again to your house rules, you're going to see that in your additional rules that the rules that you just added were saved. Now, to make sure that this worked correctly, what you also want to do is you want to scroll back up to the top of the page and you want to hit Preview Listing. Now that you're on your listing, what you want to do here is you want to scroll back down all the way until you find the House Rules section. And once you're here, what you need to do is you need to click on Read All Rules. And then here, you're going to see the new rules that you just added. And that's the end of the video. That was how to change your Airbnb house rules. Now, if you're looking for a property manager, make sure to send me an email at andrewbarnettairbnb@gmail.com. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel before you go. As always, keep hosting.